Did you try the potato salad yet? Girl, yes, it is delicious. I told you she makes the best. Wait, hold on a second. Do you guys see that?
Look at that. What do you think happened? It's completely covered in mud. And it's just sitting here. Look at the mud. That is unbelievable. Are we supposed to drive that?
An old ambulance was sitting there completely buried under a layer of mud. But what we found inside made us stop in our tracks. There was an old skeleton prop inside. We carefully removed it, cleared the space, and decided this ambulance deserved a second chance.
Okay, lift slowly now. Watch the head. Got it. Clear of the stretcher. Bring it straight to the tarp, nice and easy.
Then the rescue began. First, we had to break through air of hardened dirt.
Look at that coverage. It's so pink. Keep it coming. We'll start scrubbing the front.
Once the heavy mud was gone, we covered every inch in thick pink foam.
All right, ladies, let's get this beauty sparkling. I've got the front bumper. Don't forget the mirrors.
This mud is thick. Keep going, we're almost there. Wow, look at that shine.
Little by little, the ambulance, hidden underneath all the dirt, finally started to come back to life.
Wow, look at that shine.
Wow.
We really earned this golden hour.
It almost looks brand new.
They did an amazing job at this wash station. The reflection is perfect. Wow, look at that shine. It's finally done. We did it.
But we did not want to keep it for ourselves. We wanted this ambulance to help someone.
Look at what we accomplished. Now, I believe the best thing we can do is donate it to those in need.
So we contact the hospital and donate the restored ambulance to a place where it could actually make a difference.
I can't believe we are finally here.
It's been such a long journey, but it was worth it.
On behalf of the hospital, thank you all so much. We're just so happy to help the community. It looks wonderful, absolutely beautiful.
Would you like my video? Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.
We did it! It's beautiful, ready to serve the community.